Hey guys, what is up? It's me, Faith, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm sure you guys could tell, I'm going to be filming a pack with me for college video. Last year, you guys really liked this video, and it was a lot of fun to film because I have to do it anyway, so it makes it a little funner to bring you guys along with me. So that's what I'm doing today. But I leave in like a week, so I need to start packing now because that way I can make sure I got everything. Plus, I don't want to be packing last minute because I don't need any more stress than I already have. So I'm excited to do that today. So if you guys are interested in watching me pack, then just keep on watching. Also, if you guys haven't done so yet, make sure you hit the subscribe button right below me, and let's go ahead and get into this video. So obviously I can't pack stuff that I need to use still, so I'm gonna try my best to pack what I can. Most of the like decor and stuff I can pack. I have to get my clothes out. So what my plan is since I don't want to like pack them up yet, because all I do is I take them and put a trash bag over them and I tie them at the bottom, and then that way I can keep them on the hanger, so when I get there I can just hang them back up. So that's what I'm gonna do. But what I'm gonna do, since I'm not gonna put those on there yet, is I'm going to put them all in this closet because I have two closets. So I'm gonna put all the clothes I'm taking in here, and then that way I can kind of organize it and get all the same hangers on there. And that's the plan. Gizmo is obviously aware that I'm doing something and she's not okay with it. So I think that's what I'm gonna do first, just because like that's one of the bigger things that I have to figure out what I'm bringing. I kind of already know because I know what I wear on a regular day basis. Some of my stuff is dirty, so I do need to go wash that to get that ready to pack. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna start out with. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. There, I brought some more light over here because you literally couldn't see it. Legit looked like I lived in a dungeon. So I just finished that closet. Now I'm gonna go through this closet and pick out what I want to put in that closet to bring with me. I don't have to bring like a lot of this stuff because I do come back for fall break, so I can get my winter clothes then, so I don't have to bring them all at once, which is nice because it saves room. Okay, I'm done with that. Now I'm just gonna take all the clothes that were in that closet and put them on these hangers. I'm just gonna put them in here so I can kind of get an idea of what I have. Okay, so this is all the clothes I've picked out to bring right now. Might add more, probably not. I might take some out, honestly, but that's what I'm bringing right now. That's gonna be hanging in my closet. Now I have to get stuff from here that I need to put in a suitcase so I can put in my dresser when I get down there. I usually have a little bit of extra room, believe it or not, for my clothes. I know some of you may find that hard to believe, but I actually usually do have a little bit of extra room, so then I just put some other stuff in those drawers instead. So that's Gucci. Okay guys, I got my big giant suitcase that you guys probably saw in my last pack with me vlog. So I'm gonna go ahead and take stuff out of this handy dandy IKEA dresser and pack it into my bag. Okay, let me do the zoom down here. I don't know what trash is on the floor. Excuse it. So I just finished packing up everything that I wanted to put in here. So I still have to get like my bras and underoos in there, but obviously I need those right now. I'm not gonna go commando, so I'm waiting to pack those until it gets a little closer. I have some more socks that I need to pack. I just got some new socks, so I'm gonna wash those and wear those until I go, and then I'm gonna pack the rest of those. But other than that, I think I got pretty much everything I needed in that suitcase, which is awesome. Also guys, I had to turn the fan on. It's so freaking hot. I'm literally dying, so I'm sorry if you hear that. Couldn't take it anymore, okay? It was so freaking hot. Next thing I have to do, because I have like 50 million things to do. Packing can be like overwhelming sometimes, guys, but trust me, it's not that bad. It just feels like it is. So I have to pack up my jewelry. So I just bought this jewelry stand specifically for my dorm, but I actually set it up now, and it's so freaking cute, and I need to take all the jewelry off of it, sadly, and I need to pack this back up and then pack my jewelry up so it doesn't get tangled. I actually was smart and kept the box it came in, so I'm going to put it back in here, and then that way it won't break or anything. So I have all of my jewelry laid out here. I have to figure out what I'm gonna put the necklaces in. I'm not sure because they always get freaking tangled. But I have this little jewelry box that I just put all some of my rings and earrings in, and I'm gonna put the rest of the rings and earrings in there as well. I do have these little bags, so I'm gonna put some of the stuff in there. And then yeah, that's pretty much all my jewelry. I just actually ordered some new gold necklaces that I'm really excited about. I've been getting into jewelry more, so I've been trying to find some really like good quality and expensive jewelry brands. If you guys know of any, let me know in the comments down below. You guys always have the best suggestions, so definitely let me know. I love gold jewelry, so anything gold I love. So now that that stuff's kind of taken care of, I'm gonna go ahead and start packing some decor items in this Amazon box. I already have this little like hanging macrame thing I picked up from TJ Maxx the other day. It's super cute, but I do need to get some of the stuff on my dresser, my walls, and then my desk area. I need to pack some of that stuff up, so that's what I'm gonna go ahead and do right now. So now I'm over here by my makeup table and my makeup stand, and I have to take everything out of this big old fat stand that I'm going to bring with me. And I also have to pack a few things over here. I have this box to put stuff in, and then of course I'm bringing my favorite cactus in the whole wide world, because why would I not bring this? It's literally my favorite thing ever. And I obviously am going to be bringing this mirror, but I still need to use it right now, so I'm not going to pack that up until I go. If you guys don't know, I'm basically like an essential oil nerd, if that makes sense. So I have a bunch of essential oils I'm obviously bringing in. I want to be really careful with these because I don't want them to spill because they're very expensive. Okay, so I have a lot of stuff here laid out on the floor, and I'm just gonna see what I can pack into different containers. I'm gonna show you guys. So this bit I'm gonna put all my camera stuff in, and then those baskets and stuff, I'm gonna see if I can fit some of the plants so they won't get smushed in there. And then yeah, I'm just gonna see what I can fit where. Kind of how packing goes. You just see what you can put in what box or what container or what object. Kind of just a guessing game. Okay, so I'm back. I just ate a peanut butter jelly because I needed some food, and we don't have like any bubble wrap or anything to put my picture frames in, so I'm gonna use this towel because that's all I have. You have to make do with what you got. Okay, so now I have to get these two wooden bins down. I have no clue what is in them, so this is gonna be quite interesting. Okay, now I'm gonna clean out my desk area and put everything in. Let me show you this bin. So I'm gonna put all my desk stuff in here so it's easy to find and I don't have to like go searching for it, because that's a struggle, my friends. So I always save these little bubble wrap mailers I get from Glossier, and I'm going to go ahead and put like my perfumes and stuff in here so they don't get beat up, and my sunglasses. So that's what I'm doing, and then I'm putting it in this box, which I have my hats and my hair accessories in as well. Alright, so I have all my desk stuff packed in that one, and then I have all of my like perfume, sunglasses, hair accessories, hats in that bin. I'm still gonna add my jewelry, but I will show you. I have packed up some of it, but I'm gonna leave some out because I still wanna wear some. So that's pretty much ready to go in there as soon as I'm ready to pack it up. And yeah, I've pretty much packed so much stuff already, so I'm doing good. And obviously these are like my camera accessories and stuff, and my computer is coming with me, but I am waiting to package that up till before I go because I might have to use this computer, I never know. And then I obviously use my headphones and my tripod, so I'm just gonna leave that out. The good thing is I have it laid out and ready to go, so I can just pack it up in these boxes when I'm ready. The next thing I'm gonna do is my dad just gave me this big purple bin, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the shoes that I'm bringing in the purple bin, and then that way they won't get smushed, because last year they kind of got smushed, so I want to put them in a bin this time. If you're wondering why the snowman blanket's on the floor, it's because Gizmo stresses when it storms and she comes sits in this corner, so that's her blanket. Alright, so these are pretty much all of my shoes I have packed in here. I obviously need my Air Force Ones and then my sneakers, but I still wear those, so I'm gonna keep those out and then put them in here when I'm ready. I honestly probably don't even need this many shoes. This is a lot less than I brought last year, but I'm gonna bring them just in case, because you never know. So I just came downstairs and I wanted to show you guys what I have already packed up. This is all like the newer stuff I got and just some stuff I've already decided to pack back up. So this is like my corner of stuff I've accumulated over the past few like month or so. In here, I have all of my cleaning supplies, so just my like cleaning spray, my dish soap, and my laundry. And then obviously I have hand sanitizer. I need to get some more. I just have some dried up flowers in here that I use for my essential oil roller balls and stuff in there. And it's just in this wooden container I got from like TJ Maxx. And then I have my giant thing of baby wipes because baby wipes save lives. Then I have my stool that you guys saw in my back to school dorm room haul. And then I have another basket from that as well. And then the trash can, and I have letters for my letterboard, and then the little light that I got for my desk. And here I have a Staples box that has a bunch more cleaning supplies and stuff like that in there. Then I have my little coffee cart that I got from IKEA. Then we have my lights, and these are my prints for my collage wall. Then in this bin I have all of my bedding from last year. It's the same exact stuff I had from last year. I went ahead and washed it, and then I had to put the duvet on, which I wish you guys could have seen me like trying to put that duvet on. Literally, I struggled so much putting that duvet cover back on, but I already did it, so I don't have to do it when I get there, which is like huge help. And I'm glad that I went ahead and re-washed them just to make sure they were clean. In this lovely IKEA box, we have some liners. This is a drying mat that I had last year for the dishes, so I'm gonna bring that again. I have all my towels in here and just some more cleaning stuff down there. I have my laundry bag, then my curtains and the shower stuff, like the shower curtain, and then I have my tea kettle, which is not actually in the box yet because I'm still using it, but I am gonna pack it in there once I get it. And then the same mattress topper I had from last year is just up here in a trash bag, as well as my seat cushion for my chair is up there. I'm gonna bring that too. So yeah, that stuff's pretty much ready to go. I'm just gonna leave it down here. I might like move a few more things out of these boxes. I don't know yet. Gizmo knows something is up. He's been sniffing all of my stuff. Everything else is kind of over here all ready to go. I will be putting some more stuff in this suitcase, but for now it is basically packed, so that's a big deal. So this is all the stuff up here. I think I got everything packed up today, so that took a really long time, honestly longer than I thought, but it was worth it because now I have all of my stuff packed. Guys, I will have a move-in day vlog coming up soon. I think I'm gonna be uploading it on the 23rd. Whatever that Sunday is, I will be uploading it, so I'm super excited for that video. Yeah, that's gonna do it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys haven't done so yet, make sure you hit the subscribe button right below me, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.